With prices going up, interest rates going up, you have a choice: make more or spend less. I would prefer to make more. So here's 5 great tips to make more money. Number one, find a side hustle that is fueled by your passion. I coach, I public teach, I teach. It is my passion. I love helping others, and it pays me good money on top of my mortgage career. Number two, look to sell things before you throw them away. It's crazy what things sell for on the secondary market. I just sold many of my childhood toys for over $20,000, and I have a lot more left to sell. So before you throw something away, check on eBay to see what it's worth. Number three is research the stock market. Look to risk a little money within the stock market. I like Risk Hedge. I just use about 5% of my savings to do this. It does not impact my retirement. It does not impact my college savings. I look at this as money going to the casino, and I've made about $50,000 day trading this year from my research on Risk Hedge. Number four, learn a new skill or new career to get you promoted within your job. A lot of the times, guys, we just need to master the level that we're at and not try and go on to the next level. Fifth, and certainly not least, build your own table instead of begging to be at someone else's. If your leader, your boss, your company doesn't add value to your personal life and your career, you should consider working for yourself. Like and subscribe to learn more great income producing tips.